I cannot believe I let you talk me into this.
Yeah, I'm a little surprised too. It's just recon.
If it's just recon, then how come we didn't bring along Rory and Curtis?
Because Curtis would just tell Mommy and Daddy.
And Rory?
That just weirds me out. Ready? I knew this would be the place. When's Queen gonna trust me?
I'm sure it'll be right after he finds out we went here without his permission. The night's still young. Bring the Green Arrow back, bust this place up.
You mean he bust this place up? He'll never let us get out in that field. It's easier to ask for forgiveness than permission.
You brought that? What happened to this just being recon?
We did the recon part.